Welcome to the amazing Goodwill Impact Centre. The concept behind the Impact Centre is all about sustainability, about making a positive impact on the environment while providing employment opportunities for Albertans. Thanks to ATV, we have the Goodwill Sustainability Action Plan. One of the main targets of the Sustainability Action Plan is diversion from the landfill. So what we have done, we have created reuse programs, recycle programs, and refurbish programs. In 2017, Goodwill diverted from the landfill more than 12 million kilos. That's huge. In 2018, we diverted more than 13 million kilos from the landfill. That's a huge improvement, and the diversion from the landfill rate went from 78% to 81% in 2018. So in just 1 year, we increased the diversion from the landfill rate in 3%. We are diverting all the plastics we get donated at the Impact Center, and they are going to be transformed into plastic benches now. We recycle more than 31,000 kilos of plastics. Another program that is amazing is the one regarding the reuse of glassware and ceramics, and we diverted from the landfill almost 12,000 kilos. We diverted from the landfill more than 30,000 kilos of suitcases. And also winter footwear, we diverted more than 7,000 kilos. When you see the positive environmental impact of diverting 13 million kilos from the landfill in Edmonton, that's just huge. That's the equivalent to remove 1,800 cars from our city, more than 130,000 gigajoules, saving more than 200,000 liters of water. One of the most important programs is the one regarding cleaning towels. So cotton t-shirts and towels that we don't sell in the other store, it goes to the commercial services team, and they transform towels and t-shirts into cleaning towels that then we sell in our stores, and we sell through a lot of partners we have in the Edmonton region. So by recycling more and diverting more from the landfill, we provide more employment opportunities. Right now we have close to 45 team members working at the Amazing Impact Centre. Thanks to the great experience that we have had in Edmonton, now we're looking forward to having an Impact Centre in the city of Calgary. The Amazing Impact Centre won the Arts of Excellence. This prestigious award is awarded by the Recycling Council of Alberta. We won in the non-profit category. Please keep donating to Goodwill. When you donate to Goodwill, you are impacting in a positive way the life of a lot of people, and you're making a positive impact on the environment.